Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. As promised, welcome to part 2 of Amazon's Prime Day sale recommendations. Now if you haven't seen part 1, it is beauty specific. I will link it down in the description box below. Watch it after this video. I am making these videos so that you can make an informed decision and probably it could help you in some way or the other. So yeah, if you want to know what I got from Amazon's fashion category, then please keep on watching. First thing that I got is this top that I'm wearing right now, and this is my most favorite outfit from the entire haul video. There were more shades in this top, but I took black because black just makes you look a lot more put together in such sort of an outfit. Plus it's such a smart piece. I mean, I think this will suit every body type and I am so in love. I am planning on getting more colors in this, but I would highly recommend this one. It is so good. The next thing that I got is solely for its color. It's a t-shirt dress having polka dots all over. You can see how nice and lovely the color is. Again, this is great for casual outings like brunch and stuff. This will again make you look very stylish. You can pair it up with the nice sneakers and you're good to go. So yeah, if you are looking for a nice easy breezy outfit, then please go for this one. My next purchase is a very nice wraparound top. Unfortunately, this did not fit me. I have to up a size in this one, but I'll just insert the image on the website so you can have a look and have an estimation as to how it will look. This is how the actual top looks like. It's such a nice cute top. It will look great for any casual or a little party sort of an outfit. It will work for both and I absolutely love it. There is a lot of detailing going on the hand and then the wraparound thingy. So yeah, I think it's a very decent nice top. Next outfit is a little out of my comfort zone, but this is what I was wearing in my previous video as well, and a lot of you wanted to know where it was from. Well, this is from Amazon and this is how it looks like. Now I have ordered it in the size M, but this did not fit me really well. Like, I should have gone for a size lower so that the fitting was a little better. But overall, this is a very nice top and great for a night out, and if you are comfortable with such outfits, you can surely give this one a try. The material and everything is very nice and the color is so eye-catching. So yeah, if you are comfortable with such outfits, please give this one a try. The next outfit is this green colored top. Now I actually wanted to give this brand a try. That is why I've got two tops from the same brand, but unfortunately I'm not that impressed again with the fitting and the overall look. It just did not impress me, but yet I'll just show you how the outfit looks like. This is still better than the next one that I'll be showing, but this is how it looks like. It has this detailing right here and a little peplum sort of a thingy right here. So yeah, this is how the first one looks like. Next outfit from the same brand was a little deceiving, as in the top was looking totally different on the model than it came in actual life. The one that I'm talking about is this peach colored top. Now the color is totally deceiving. The sleeves pattern is also totally deceiving. Plus the shoulder thing was so weird. I don't know how, was it because of the size or what, but it was very weird. In fact, I don't even think if I went a size smaller it would help. The overall pattern and the fitting was only not impressive. So I will make a hard pass on this brand because I'm not impressed with the quality and everything. So yeah, this is the second outfit. Next outfit is again a little deceiving, but this is not bad deceiving. This is a nice decent top. Actually, I went for an outfit which had puff sleeves and it was grey in color, but the one that I got was totally different. It's from the same brand, which is Harpa, and this is how the top looks like. This is again the same color that I went for, but the pattern is totally different. Now I was you know, this top was very suffocating, as in this was small and small doesn't fit me, so it was as if I couldn't breathe. I wish they had provided me this top in a size up or so. It would have been great. Otherwise, if you can find a size in this one, this is such a nice solid color top. It will look good with any sort of an outfit. And yeah, this is my next purchase. My next purchase is actually a bottom wear. It's from the brand Freakins. Now Freakins is a bottom wear specific sort of a brand. They do have jackets as well, but I have a lot of bottom wear, as in I have a lot of joggers from their brand, and they are amazing. So I went for a slouchy jeans. I've been wanting to have those mom jeans sort of a vibe since a very long time, and I found these slouchy jeans very nice and comfortable. So I purchased that, and this is how the outfit looks like. Again, it's a navy blue sort of a color, and it looks great with tank tops and everything. So yeah, if you are looking for such slouchy and comfortable jeans for everyday, then please give them a try. My next purchase is again for its color. I have gone for a lavender top, and this is how it looks like. The color is amazing, but fitting, I don't think so. Probably a size lower would have been great. I got it in the size M, and the overall outfit vibe was a little loose. That is what I got from the image as well. So I'm not complaining, but like I can make this work. I can do things to this top so that it can you know, look flattering on me. But yeah, I just got this for the color. My last purchase is a beige colored camisole top, and this is how it looks like. Again, this is so comfortable, and the material is great. Now there were a lot of options on the website, but I went for beige because this is more you know, you can just pair it up with anything and you can make it work. Plus this will look great with slouchy jeans or high-waisted jeans. It will look amazing. So yeah, if you are looking for something like this, then please give this brand a try. They have amazing tank tops as well. So yeah, check them out. And yeah, with that we come to an end to this Amazon's Prime Day sale video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, you know what you need to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.